really cool to tell you, I am in the Thar Desert in Rajasthan in India. And I've got my main man Sabu with me. Yes. And we're going to bone out one of his goats. We've got a goat leg here, and as you can see all around, we're in the desert. And if you go here, this is how we got there. On our camels.
Tonight we have mutton party.
Yeah, so let's get in here. So this is our trusty table, and we've got here is a whole goat leg. It's a hind leg, and we're going to start this. This was killed. This was from today at the market. Check out the other video. So we're just going to take off the skirt to start with, and just get that down. So that's all the skin stuff. That's very tough. So the boys here are a bit, they're like, why is he taking all the bone out? And I'm like, I'll show them why we're going to do that. So we don't do that. And then here's the hip bone. You can hear me hitting on it. So we're just going to run our knife down there, find the joint and open it up. And there's the joint there. Round. And I had some people ask me where's the coolest place you butchered? Now we have a new favorite in the middle of the desert with a goat. I'll turn that there. Down. Down. Get these bones out. Sorry about the flies. There's not much you can do when you're in the middle of the desert. So then we've got the rump. Rump steak is going to come from there. I'm just going to take this big vein out. As I said, and then we're going to come down the leg bone. Again, there it is in there. Straight down. And then here, we're going to take out this part. As you can see, I'm opening the leg up so you can see all the muscle groups. That's the big tendon again. It's very, very hard to cut. So we've got a lot of people to feed tonight. So cut the other muscle there, down the shin bone, round. This is pretty cool. And turn that around, down. Just keep on painting it off. Under there. Down the bone. Oop. Nearly cut myself. That would have been awesome on camera. So now we've got a whole boneless leg, and I'll show you the whole boneless goat. So you've got a rump steak there, you got your knuckle, you got your top side, and you got your silver side. So as I said, a lot of the other videos I've said is we've got so many different, every animal has the same muscle group. So that's pretty much boning out a goat leg in the middle of the desert. Hope you really enjoyed it, and we're going to go and cut this up and cook it on our campfire. See you in the next video.